Hi guys, by the end of this video, you can get unlimited free leads using this automation plus making the AI write personalized outreach emails based on each lead website content. This template and all the other resources, you can find it in my absolutely free school community, AI Automation Flow, where I drop exclusive automations and resources. To get the template, simply copy the YouTube video title, then go to my school community, paste it in the search field, and it will be the first post that appears. Here's the file, just press on it, press on download. Now you have downloaded the file, import it to n8n, import from file, choose it, hit on open, and here's the template. The link will be down in the description below. And you can see our Google Sheet has these leads information by name, address, city, website, phone number, score, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email, subject and body, which the AI is going to write based on the leads website content. So let me show you first a quick demo. I'm going to execute the workflow, then I'm going to fill the form. I'm going with the niche keyword, something like a restaurant, and the location will be New York, USA. Number of leads, I'm going to go with, let's go with 15. That's it, hit on submit. Now it's going through. This will take probably a few minutes, so I will go and come back until it's finished. So the automation now has finished. Let us get a quick look on the results. You can see now we have all the leads we want with their name, address, city, website, phone number. Some leads didn't have LinkedIn or X. Some have, no problem. We have their Instagram. Those leads must have and will have websites, emails, so we can draft the subject and the body based on that, and with the lead name. Great, all the leads are here. Now going back to our automation, I will go through it node by node. First with the form submission, just a normal form submission. You can go with the first field for the keyword or the business keyword like restaurant, clinics, medical, whatever you want. The location will be something like any city you want, any area, whatever you want. And the number of leads is going to be, you can go from 1 to 100 to 1000, whatever you want, no problem. Now going to the next node, or Apify scraper, you get $5 credits each month, and it's more than enough to get more than 1000 leads. I'm going to show you now how to get your Apify actor credential. To get our Apify credential, simply hit on create a new credential, then hit on the API key. And to get our API key, we are going to go to the Apify store website, then scroll down and hit on settings, then go and choose API integration, hit on create a new token, then copy it, go back to n8n, and hit on save. Now you can see our Apify account is connected successfully. So you can see here's our Apify actor. I'm going to go to its link, just pick the node, run an actor and get data set. Here's our Apify actor. You can customize it however you want, has so many settings, but I meant to keep it simple for this tutorial. Just after you have made the manual settings, go to the JSON, select it all, copy it, go back to n8n and paste it here. Just make sure to change the variables. You can see here our variables have made for the location, for the number of leads, and for the niche keyword. You can keep the memory whatever you want. I've gone with 4 gigabytes, no problem. Here are our leads list. You can see it here with many information. Most of them we don't need, so I have connected to a code node which is going to remove duplicates and make our list clean and to the point. But with this procedure from this Apify actor, there are some leads sometimes that came like duplicates or have their email 2 times, so we don't hurt our email deliverability and keep our list clean with valid emails and no duplicates. You can use this code node to clean the results and get the best leads information. So it has gone, you see, with the title, category name, address, phone number. So it has gone with the clean information. Great. No worries, this code you can copy it and paste it from my free school community. The link will be down in the description below. But you can see here, it gave us 15 leads. Then it passed through only 9 because it removed duplicates. So in this case, make sure to choose your highest number to get the most out of this quality lead. Now going to our Google Sheet, just make it append row in a sheet. If you don't know how to make your Google Sheet credential, simply just go to the tagged video or tag it somewhere up. You can see this video, get your credential, come back. Now continuing, we have the name, the address, the city, website, phone number, all the way to the email. But the subject and the body will be NA because we have to get to the AI agent to make them. Great, we got all the information we need. You can simply add another columns where other information like price, category name, address, things like that. Now after we have organized our leads, we need, like we said, first to go through 2 sections. The first section is going to prepare the context for the AI agent to get the personalized personalized message or the personalized email. And the second section is going to make the AI agent spit out an email and then into two variables, one subject and one body. So we're going to go through the loop by get row in sheet. You can make it to choose subject or go with the body because both are empty. The value must be in name. Then it's going to go to the if node, which is going to stop this automation if the JSON row number didn't exist. When we don't have the Google Sheet node, is going to spit out nothing because there are no rows with the subject NA because we have filled them all. So it's going to make an output of nothing, which by that means JSON.subject didn't exist. So it's going to go to the false way and stop the automation. And if still exists, it's going to repeat this automation until it fills out the subject and body for all the leads or all the rows. We are going to continue the next node, which is going to be an HTTP request to scrape the website of this lead and get all of the data. Then we are going to organize it in an HTML file, which is going to be simply like the title of the website, some headers or a description, things like that. Just make sure to choose HTML extract node. You can find it here. Just simply search for HTML, then hit on extract HTML content. Then you can see that HTML node has given us very raw data, not organized, and it's going to be hard for the AI to understand. But the code node is going to clean that and give us something like that. You can see a clear, simple context about this website. Now we are going to feed this context into the AI agent, where it's going to personalize the email subject and body. You can make it by a simple prompt like that, by just going first with the role. You are B2B email specialist and conversion copywriter. Just make sure to put the required inputs like the name, website context, and the niche keyword, and make sure to give it a clear rule for the output format to be in JSON format, subject, which is a subject string, body, which is a body string, which means words. Then I have given it some notes with an example to use the first name, like hi, first name lead, like hi, lead team, or if a name is missing, just simply go with hi team, the tone, then the personalization and the niche rules. I have given it to make the subject and the body short and straight to the point. We don't need to sound salesy at the last because the AI agent always reads better from the last of the prompt or the first of the prompt, and the middle words of the prompt will like fade out and not focus on them too much. So the most focused areas of the prompt from the AI agent is going to be the end of the prompt and the beginning of the prompt. So I have repeated the node to give only JSON out, and you can see it had given us subject and body in a JSON format, but you can see it only in one variable, which not work. So we need a code node which is going to clean that in subject and body. Great. Here's the subject, here's the body. Another thing, you can add a send message or send email node for Gmail, where it's going to immediately send this email with the subject and body to the lead. But I have turned it off for now, so we can just focus on making the leads, reviewing them. I'm going to show you in a bit how we can add it. Of course, there's no need for the merge node. Then going to the update row in a sheet is going to be very simple. Just choose to update row in a sheet node, map each column with the name. The column must match the name. So the name is going to be this one, and we are going to add the subject and the body from the AI agent. Very simple. I have made the wait node so we don't hit the API limit for the Google Sheets, but you can simply remove it if you found it working well. Great. Now if you want to add the send message node, we can simply just remove the merge, remove this one, and plug this, plug the code node with the send email. So you can send the email before even if it's listed on the Google Sheet, or you can simply just put it after the Google Sheet, or you can send it straight away. You can see here's two, just we need to fix the variable for the subject and the message. So I'm going to remove this, the subject, and here's the body. It's going to send this email straight away. Like I said, this template and all the other resources will be down in the description below in my absolutely free school community. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.